Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you this kind of fun fall. This collection was from Light Elegance with Gesture here, and I fell in love with this, and I was kind of circus-y, kind of inspired, but not really, kind of taking it like my own spin. So I really enjoyed these nails, and I hope you guys do too. So I am going to do it again in a fast forward and a standard motion. So this is in real time. I have already prepped and filed my nails, and if you want to see that video, I will link it above. Actually, during that prep video, I actually was filming this after, so you will see the same nails in that video, which is kind of funny. So yeah, I'm doing my thumb separate and doing that solid thing of Gesture. And here I am doing an ombre, but I wanted a base color, so I put that down on the pointer, and then we're going to come in and do Gesture on the middle and do a full coat. But we will keep this really thin because we are going to cover it in glitter, because glitter makes everything better. I'm sure you guys agree. If you don't, then why are you with my channel? Because I love me some glitter. And now we are going to take it on the pinky. Again, you want to make your first coat as good as possible, but don't overthink it. That's what the second coat is for, and I do fast forward during the second coat, but I try to get my first coat good because it's easier to put the second coat on a nice smooth first coat, if that makes sense. But don't worry if it's not perfect. And then we are going to take a gold buttercream, and I love this gold buttercream. It is so amazing. You can see the little bit of red in there, but it's okay. I put it on the pointer, which I forgot to film, and then as soon as I put this one down, I saw it. But yeah, just put it on and kind of feathered it up just slightly on the pointer, and it's all over the ring finger. And then we're gonna come in with a second coat, and you can really see this color shine in the second coat. Gesture is just so pretty, and these two colors are made for each other. Again, doing the second coat, everywhere I put the Gesture on the first coat just to give myself a really good base to work with. So now we are going to take Clowning Around, which I liked this glitter. It's not my favorite after using it, but it's not the end of the world. I did end up adding more glitter and kind of do a glitter fade here. So that's why I'm kind of being, I don't want to say rough with it, but I'm not painting it on like a pro here. I really wanted it to be a glitter fade. And then I take the loose glitter here, which I don't know the name of. I'm sorry, it was given to me. But it's just hexagons and some chunks. So I'm not going to make you sit here through every single gluing of the pieces. So I do it on that guy, and I do it all over the middle finger. And then I put Clowning Around over top of it because I wanted it to be a glitter mix, and I wanted the smaller pieces from Clowning Around on top of it. I think Clowning Around would be good, like kind of like over a color, but I kind of wanted it to feature it, and it kind of didn't feel featured. Does that make sense? I don't know if it's because I put all the glitter over it or not. I don't know. It just wasn't working for me this time. I think I overthought it. I don't know. But here is Joan Crawford, probably one of my favorite colors from Light Elegance. So this is a glitter gel, but it's like shards of gold amazingness. I'm literally obsessed with this color. So I am playing this in real time just a little bit, and then we're gonna fast forward to 200% because when I use this, the glitter in there is so chunky. I like to place it where I literally want it to go. So that is the great thing about this, is I can place it and move it around and kind of just really get it into the place I want. And you can do 2 thin coats or double coats, whatever works for you guys, but I really wanted to get that coat as perfect as possible. And then we are gonna do our ombre here, but it's not like a hard ombre. You can see it on my thumb, which, you know, it's kind of just a little bit of an ombre. It's not like overthought here. I just place it down, bring it up into the red or the gesture, since that's we're using names. And then I will come back in with clowning around. Sorry, my camera, I know, I'm so sorry. Just to kind of create that fade a little bit more after I've cured that Joan Crawford. And I do put that over the thumb because I realized when I did my middle one, I didn't. So I have filed and buffed everything off camera. I've showed a couple videos where I file and buff, and I just kind of skipped that with this video. So I put some cool gel down. You can see me trying to mess with this guy to get it in the right place. Stick it down. Loved it. And then we are going to come in with the moon. The moon, I kind of struggle a little bit more. I end up kind of doing a little bit of a flat spot on that middle finger to help it stay down. So if you know you're gonna have something that's a little bit wider and, what's the word I'm looking for? Like stiff, like not bendable. Definitely know that ahead of time and put it down. You can see I'll struggle a little bit, but it's okay. We get it to work. Now, okay, don't freak out here. I am literally placing this on that finger just so I can do my bursts and have the ability to take my striping brush through the entire paint. Does that make sense? This is the buttercream, but through the entire buttercream. I hope that makes sense. You can see me doing it in the video. I left it in real time because this is like half the fun. So again, I end up doing 5 strokes. Do whatever feels right to you. I didn't want to overly clash the nails, but still kind of wanted like a sunburst. I don't know. I was feeling it. So we come here and I finish up the last one. And you will see that I definitely, I'm not the best hand painter, but I try. But here, I really tried to use the brush to create the straight lines and not overthink it. Does that make sense? Like, I use the brush. And so I am going to cure that, but wash that off. I wanted to make sure that you guys saw that I washed it off. Don't worry. So I'm taking matte and glossy here. I believe I did matte on the all solid nails, and then I think the rest is glossy. I'm pretty sure. So we are coming to the end. I'm going to put some cuticle oil on and show off these beauties. I loved this so much. Oh yeah, top coat these brass, which are the gold things because they will fade and turn. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.